Hello everyone, this is Orko and welcome to another episode of HackerRank SQL problem solution playlist. So the problem we're going to solve today is weather observation station 8. The difficulty level is easy. So let's get into the problem statement. So the problem statement says, query the list of city names from station which have vowels A, E, I, O, U as both their first and last character. So what it says, there is a table named station. Here is the station table. It has some columns and city is one of them. The city column contains the name of the cities. So query the list of cities. So we only need to select this column. So query the list of city names from station, this table, which have vowels as both their first and last character. So we need to filter those city names which have vowels as their first character and last character. So characters in the middle, we're not bothered about them. They can be anything they want, but first and last character must be from vowel list, or they must be anything from A, E, I, O, or U. So let's query. So I have created this station table. It is exactly similar to the station table stated in the problem statement. So I have also inserted some dummy data. The station table create script and data insert script will be in my description. Okay, so first of all, the problem statement says we only need to select the city column. So let's select the city column. So we have all the city names. Now it says the city names must contain vowels as their first and last character. So what we're gonna say, we'll say where the city or the city column. So we all know if we want to search any substring, we need to use like operator. So we'll say like, the like operator. After that, we need to give a string. So what like operator will do, it will compare this string with the values from this column. If the values from this column contains this string, it will return that value. So we need to build the string. How? First of all, the string should start with anything from A, E, I, O, U. So what we'll say, we'll just say third bracket A, E, I, O, U. So it says any of these characters A, E, I, O, or U. So the third bracket means that A or E or I or O or U. It should also end with the same thing. So we'll just copy and paste. So the starting should be anything from A, E, I, O, U, and ending should also be anything from A, E, I, O, U. The middle part, we don't care about the middle part. So we'll just put percent. So what it says the string here should contain vowel in the starting, then we don't care, anything can be in the middle part, and also end with vowel. So let's run this. So we got El Paso. So it meets our criteria. It starts with E, which is a vowel, and it ended with O, which is also a vowel. So the problem also said there cannot be duplicate data. So to get rid of duplicate data, we need to use distinct. So we don't have any duplicate data, but if the duplicate data comes, the distinct will remove the duplicate values. So here is our solution. Now put a semicolon and we'll just copy and check if this is the correct answer. So here we'll select MS SQL Server. We'll just paste the solution here and run the code. See if it works with the test cases, and congratulations. So it ran perfectly with the test cases here. Just submit the code. It should pass. So compiler message says it's a success. Okay. So this is the solution for weather observation station 8. We'll be right back with another episode with another problem. Till then, goodbye.